and trace laser grip on a Kimber 3-inch 45, and I ran into a problem recently where the button was like not working well. It was like worn, so like I'd push it down and it like wouldn't really turn on. If I like, it felt like if I pushed a certain way or I pushed really hard, then it would come on, but it was just really bizarre. So I kind of thought, well, gosh, maybe I can send this thing in for repair because it's had it for almost 10 years or whatever. And I went to Crimson Trace's laser website, and I found that I didn't really see any way to send anything in for repair. It looks like you just have to buy a new one, which I thought would be no big deal. But it turns out that yeah, this thing's like $400. So that caused me to really look into it today and figure out what exactly was going on. And so I took the whole grip off, and difficult to get off now. And I was trying to figure out what was going on, and I couldn't figure it out. And what I found is if I like laid it flat, and turned it on, it was coming on. But what I eventually figured out is if I applied a lot of pressure to the button, it would come on and it would stay on, like a lot of pressure. Like if I held it really firmly with one hand and then pushed the button from the other side, then it would work. So I kind of thought, okay, maybe I just need, the button's old, it's worn, maybe I need some more backing or something. So I tried a lot of different things. I tried some tape, I tried some thicker tape, and it was, I felt like I was getting somewhere, but with the tape, it was just like too squishy. So the solution I came up with is, I'm trying to hold the phone while I show you guys this. I took one piece of double-sided tape, and I took a little thin washer. I kind of played around with a few different washers, but I found out where that button was, which is those black dots there, and I put that washer over that tape. And once I did that, then I found that actually it is working. Give me just a second here. I'll show it to you. And then I found out that actually it's coming on every single time. Every time I push the button now, it works just like it's supposed to, just like the day I got it. So I put this video up because I didn't see anyone else who had posted anything about this issue. I saw a few other issues with Crimson Trace, but I'm hoping that this little home repair has saved me about $400. Thanks for watching.